Welcome to Future Forward, the show where we explore the scientific breakthroughs shaping our tomorrow. Today, we're diving back into a topic that is, well, it's so profound, it really requires a second, more focused look. We're talking about a compound called metadichol.
And let's be precise with that name because it is important. It's pronounced metadichol.
Right. We're revisiting it today because of some crucial new research and a few really important clarifications that, sharpen the picture of what this molecule can do.
Okay, so we're moving from its broad systemic effects to one of the most sought-after goals in all of medicine, repairing the human heart.
And this is a problem that affects millions.
Yeah.
I mean, after a heart attack, billions of heart muscle cells, cardiomyocytes, they just die. They don't grow back.
Right.
So the heart it forms a scar, it gets weaker, and that often leads to heart failure. For decades, regenerating that muscle has been a near impossible dream.
Until perhaps now.
Oh.
A new paper, one focused specifically on cardiac cells, it reveals that metadichol may actually hold the key.
Okay.
It shows that when you treat human cells with it, the genes that act as the master blueprints for creating new heart muscle cells are switched on, and not just by a little.
Okay, so what are these genes? What does the data actually show us?
Okay, so we're talking about these critical cardiac progenitor genes with names like GATA4, ISL1, and NKX2.5. You can think of them as like the foreman on a construction site for building a heart.
Right.
So in experiments with human embryonic stem cells, metadichol increased the expression of ISL1 by an incredible, dramatic, 67-fold.
67. Wow. 67 times. That's not a subtle nudge. Okay, so what about other cell types?
This is where it gets even more practical.
Okay.
So they also treated cardiac fibroblasts. So those are the connective tissue cells that actually form the scar tissue in a damaged heart.
Yeah.
And those cells, it ramped up GATA4 and NKX2.5 expression by nearly 20-fold.
Wow.
The implication is it's staggering. It could potentially reprogram the very cells that form scars into new, healthy, beating heart muscle.
So wait, so you're saying it could help the body replace scar tissue with functional heart tissue using the patient's own cells?
Exactly.
That is a paradigm shift. Okay, so now this directly relates to a correction we need to make, right? We had previously discussed its effect on the ACE2 gene. So what's the more accurate picture for its cardiovascular role?
That's a critical clarification. The evidence, it points to metadichol acting as an ACE inhibitor.
Ah, okay.
This is a classic, powerful mechanism for health.
Right.
By inhibiting the ACE enzyme, it helps relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on the heart. It's a proven strategy for cardiovascular protection.
Okay, so on one hand, it's protecting the heart by managing blood pressure.
Yes.
On the other hand, it's providing the tools for the heart to actually regenerate itself. That's a classic two-pronged approach.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And this all traces back to its fundamental mechanism, being an inverse agonist for the vitamin D receptor and a universal activator for all 49 nuclear receptors.
Okay. It's not targeting just one thing, it's intelligently managing the whole system. And that's why we see these other incredible effects too.
Right.
Like activating the Nobel Prize-winning Yamanaka factors, which, are the basis for all cellular reprogramming. And then you have the 7 sirtuin genes, the longevity genes.
And it's the same systems-level intelligence we see with vitamin C, actually.
Right.
We clarified previously that it doesn't just, magically fix our broken gulo gene.
No.
Instead, it does something even more elegant. It upregulates the GLUT4 transporter gene by tenfold, turning our bodies into hyper-efficient vitamin C recyclers.
Wow. The more we learn, the more it seems its function is just to restore the body's own optimal, innate potential.
Yeah.
And the most crucial part of this, I think, is the safety. To have this much biological power without any toxicity is
It's almost unheard of.
That's because it's providing the gas for regeneration while simultaneously upgrading the brakes.
Ah,
It shows it also enhances the body's own safety check genes, like tumor suppressors.
right.
It's a coordinated, balanced activation. It unlocks potential, but it does so responsibly.
So the idea that a single non-toxic compound from a natural substance like polycosanol
Mm-hmm.
could be taken by a patient to help their own body repair their own heart.
Mm.
I mean, it's moving from the realm of science fiction into tangible, documented science.
It truly is.
Yeah.
It reframes the entire future of medicine from just managing chronic disease to potentially enabling true endogenous regeneration.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If a single safe substance could empower our bodies to not just patch damage, but to truly regenerate vital organs like the heart, how does that change our definition of healing? And what does that mean for the future of human health span?